Hello everyone, myself Shweta Rai. I am working as a product trainer of Harvest Success Academy. And today we are going to do an unboxing video of our newly launched product, that is Elements Wellness Fit and Slim Therapy. So let's see what's inside this box. When you will open this box, you will find three individual products. The first one is our weight management shake. The second one is instant mix formula, and the third one is weight management capsules. So let's see each product individually. Our first product, that is weight management shake. You can also call it meal replacement shake, because when you will open this box, you will find 30 sachet inside. It means this single box contains 30 sachet, which is meant for 1 month use. 3 points that you have to remember regarding this weight management shake. Point number 1. This particular shake is based on FSDU guidelines, that is Food for Safe Dietary Uses, which comes under Food Supplement Regulation, where specialized products are made for specialized conditions. And in market, you will find very few products that is based on this FSDU guidelines. The second point, you have to replace your breakfast or your lunch with this tasty weight management shake. You don't have to replace both. And the third and the most important point, single sachet of this weight management shake provides you 20% recommended daily allowance, that is RDA, of vitamins and minerals, which is a very big thing. So this was all about weight management shake or meal replacement shake. Let's talk about our second product, that is instant mix formula. When you will open this box, again you will find 30 sachets, which is meant for 1 month. This particular box is meant for 1 month dose, and this instant mix formula is basically a pre-dinner snack which prepares you for a light dinner. It has a number of ingredients, like it has pre-cooked moong dal, which helps in reducing weight. It has pea protein, it has whey protein, and this basically prepares you for a light dinner, so you don't end up eating more in your dinner. So before your dinner, 10-15 minutes before, you have to take this instant mix formula, and after 10 to 15 minutes, you can have your regular home cooked meal. Immediately after your dinner, you have to take our third product, that is weight management capsules. When you will open this capsule, again you will find 30 vegetarian capsules inside. One most important thing about how to remember this weight management capsules, you have to simply remember a formula that we call it as ACE, where ACE stands for Ayurvedic herbs. Ayurvedic herbs, we have added 3 types. The first one is the ginger, second is peepli, and third one is capsaicin, which is extracted from red chilies, which creates a thermogenic effect in your body and enhances your metabolism and thus reduces weight. C stands for catechins. Catechin is basically a unique compound that is extracted from green tea, and it also helps in improving your metabolism. It boosts your metabolism and thus accelerates your weight loss journey. And E stands for, our ACE formula, E stands for enzymes. We have added 2 types of enzyme. One is lipase, that helps in the breakdown of fat, and another is diastase. We can also call it fungal diastase, which helps in the breakdown of carbohydrate. So this particular capsules, particular capsule is also meant for 1 month dose. So you have to immediately take 1 capsule from this weight management capsule immediately after your dinner. Along with this kit, again you will get a booklet, that is Understanding Your Weight. In this booklet, you will find all the information that is regarding your how to maintain your weight, what are the functional foods, what the function of functional foods, and what are the reasons behind this which can lead to overweight or obesity. So this particular booklet you will be provided along with this kit. So you can take this kit, you can buy this kit from your nearest India Shoppy store or PUC store. With these words, thank you so much. This was Shweta Rai. Lose weight feels great. Thank you.